Bitcoin update. Thank you guys for tuning into the video here on my Bitcoin and market update. And I'm here on my channel. I just like to, show you guys here authentically what I believe, my opinion, and also show you guys here based on my indicators that I created, which are three of them. If you guys are interested, you can get them in the Patreon as well as join the Discord. But let's get straight into it. In the beginning, I love looking at charts, just without anything, and then we'll get into our indicators, and I'll show you how effective they are. But what does it look like we're trying to do here, right? Obviously, we are in this aggressive downtrend, right? This pendant that we've been on here for the last weeks or so. And the question is, are we gonna find a bottom here somewhere? And where would it be for us to make a pivotal change to which then we can be in an uptrend to later on make a higher high, which is higher than 30,000, basically 31K, right, in the future. Question is, where is the bottom? Where should I be buying in here? Okay, and then when we add here our ranges and things, we can clearly see that, right, this is a big point of control here, where in the past two times, right, one, two, we got rejected hard. Obviously this one was more because this one, we went from there, we went to the bottom, but this one we made a higher low. But this is the first time ever that we're coming down here in the last few months to test that support this time. And so far it's been, we didn't even touch it that much. We got close to touching it, but so far, we've been close. And the range is basically 25,150 to 24,430. That's the range. That's the point of control that so far the bulls have control of. But what's going to happen, I believe, is we're going to come into this point of control, and we're gonna stay there for a little bit until we decide to see who gains control, the bears or the bulls. And just remember, whoever loses that, okay, from that point of control, there probably is going to be a major move to the upside or to the downside. So this, we gotta, the last coming days, weeks, we gotta focus here and see what's going on. But honestly, what I think is going to happen is, you see this huge uptrend, right? We still have yet to test this huge uptrend that we basically touched two times here. And I think what's going to happen is, and I said this in the last live streams, and it looks like it's playing out. We're basically, it's going to be very boring. We're going to stay flat until we make contact with this, where we can possibly bounce off of it for a third time, or just go straight through it, right? Continue staying flat, and then possibly then a couple days later going down, right? So that's another thing. We got to, you got to add this to your chart, this uptrend, and you got to check out to see what happens after our connection when we make contact with it. Okay, so that's another thing to watch out. But so far we've been flat, like I said we would in our live streams. And let's take a look here also at the Bitcoin dominance, which is a very significant chart, and we can see here how much Bitcoin dominance has been up. And it's been up, just to put in perspective, we hit a high here of 49.68 here. Sorry, my neighbors are pretty rude with the car, but we hit a high here of which we haven't been here in Bitcoin dominance since 2021 of May. That's like 2 years ago or something, right? 2021 of May, we haven't been in this level of Bitcoin dominance, which is around 49.60 something, right? Which we reached here. Okay, and now it looks like Bitcoin dominance started to chill out a little bit. What I think might happen is we might come down here and retest this, and then maybe bounce off of that. But yeah, keep your eye on Bitcoin dominance, because could this be the start of Bitcoin dominance going up even more, right, to higher levels? It only happen if a lot of altcoins, which the thing is, it's not even Bitcoin going up that caused this, it's altcoins going down, right, that causes huge Bitcoin dominance in the last couple of days. So that's another thing to watch out for. But yeah, there you guys go. That's my opinion on Bitcoin, my Bitcoin analysis. Oh yeah, almost forgot my indicator here. So one thing here, what I love about my indicator, like I always say, is right here you can easily see here on Bitcoin, and I said we are very bearish because we cannot seem to make any support in this middle Keltner. You see that middle Keltner? You see how many times we try to go above it and make support of it, and so we can, you know, bounce off of it and go up. We just cannot see it. And just to show you how effective my indicator is, the correlation, look how many times. Look, 1, 2, right on the Keltner bar, right in the middle Keltner bar, rejected like 3 times straight, right on it. Look how accurate that is. And you can see we just cannot seem to find support on it, which is very bearish, and we obviously continue to go to the downside. Like, even if you would have seen this and you would have put a short position right here, right? Okay, this is the 3rd time, right? You would have put a short position. You would have been here like, okay, we even came up here. You would have got scared. So look, this was a trick right here. You would have got scared that we're moving up, but we closed below it. We failed to make support of it. And if you would have went short there, you would have got some really good gains here, going short. So this is how I like using my indicator. And if you guys want to, you know, get it, check it out. It's in the Patreon, starting at tier 2. Tier 1 is just joining the Discord. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Let me know if you guys got any opinions in the description below. What do you guys think about this? Where do you guys think the market is going, up or down? Think Bitcoin low is still gonna have a new low, right? But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next live stream or video. Peace.